Smuggling is the illegal act of transporting goods or people across borders or into areas where they are restricted or prohibited. This often involves bypassing customs duties, taxes, or regulations by concealing or misrepresenting the items being transported. Smuggling typically involves the movement of contraband such as drugs, weapons, counterfeit goods, or even human trafficking. It is done to avoid legal restrictions and to make a profit from illegal goods or services. Smuggling is a serious crime that poses significant risk to public safety, security, and the economy as it can fuel organized crime and undermine legal markets and regulations.
Different countries use various strategies to combat smuggling, depending on their resources and the types of smuggling they face. For example, the United States focuses heavily on border security, using advanced technologies like drones, surveillance, cameras, and sensors to detect illegal goods at port and borders. In countries like Mexico, law enforcement works closely with international agencies to disrupt drug and human trafficking networks through intelligence sharing and joint operations. Australia uses a combination of strict customs check and advanced technology such as X-ray scanner to prevent illegal imports. European countries often rely on collaboration between neighboring countries and agencies like Europol, conducting joint operations to stop smuggling across borders.
Many countries have achieved successes in combating smuggling through their strategies. In the United States, the use of advanced technologies like drones, sensors, and surveillance cameras has led to significant interceptions of illegal goods at borders and ports. Mexico has successfully disrupted drug and human trafficking networks through strong cooperation with international agencies, leading to high-profile arrests and seizures. Australia's use of strict customs check combined with technology such as X-ray scanners has helped prevent the import of illegal goods, particularly at airports and ports. In European countries, collaboration through agencies like Europol has strengthened cross-border efforts, leading to successful joint operations that have dismantled large smuggling rings and reduced the flow of illicit goods across borders. These achievements show that with proper technology collaboration and enforcement, smuggling can be effectively targeted and reduced. While these strategies to combat smuggling have had some successes, they also face several challenges. One of the main difficulties is corruption in law enforcement, which can allow smugglers to evade detection and continue their operations. Another challenge is the lack of resources, especially in poorer regions where police may not have access to advanced technology or enough personnel to patrol borders effectively. Smuggling networks are becoming more sophisticated, making it harder for authorities to keep up with new methods of illegal transport.
Technologies can play a major role in combating smuggling by making it easier to detect illegal activities and prevent contraband from crossing borders. For example, drones and surveillance camera can help monitor areas where the smuggling is likely to occur, allowing authorities to spot suspicious activity in real time. X-ray scanner and advanced sensor ports and airports can inspect goods and vehicles quickly to detect hidden illegal items like drugs or weapons. Facial recognition and biometric system can help identify criminals or people involved in smuggling. Additionally, data analytics and predictive policing can use past crime data to forecast where smuggling may happen, allowing law enforcement to target resources more effectively. By using these technologies, authorities can catch smugglers faster, prevent illegal goods from entering the country, and making smuggling more difficult.
To improve global policing strategies against smuggling, countries should focus on increasing cooperation and sharing technology. International collaboration is key, so law enforcement agencies should work together more, sharing intelligence and using advanced tools like drones, scanners, and data analytics to track smuggling networks. It's also important to invest in training officers to properly use these technologies and ensure they are applied fairly and effectively. Updating regulations to keep up with new smuggling tactics and improving border security through advanced screening methods would also help detect contraband more efficiently. Additionally, governments should focus on fighting corruption within law enforcement agencies to ensure that technologies are used properly and not bypassed by illegal activity. By enhancing these areas, countries can create a more unified and effective approach to combating smuggling worldwide.
In conclusion, smuggling remains a significant global challenge that requires a multifaceted approach to combat effectively. While countries have made progress through the use of advanced technologies, international cooperation, and strict enforcement, the fight against smuggling is complicated by issues like corruption, limited resources, and increasingly sophisticated criminal networks.